Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Data Analytics full course. Today we are going to learn about the data query. Okay, data transformation of data that we are going to learn. About Power Query we are going to learn how to check the quality of the data of multiple of large data set, how we can check the quality of the data, how we can replace the values on Microsoft Power BI. You know that on Excel more than 10 lakh data we can't import the data. Okay, if our data set is more than 10 lakh 48,576, we can't add more data on Excel. Excel does not support more data, right? More than 10 lakh plus data does not support. And if you want to replace the value of particular data, particular cell, particular value on Microsoft Excel, it's not possible to replace multiple values. Okay, every time you have to find that value, you have to replace all. Okay, it takes more time. Okay, on Microsoft Power BI quickly you can replace the values. And how to check the quality of data, how to replace the values, how to transform the values or transform the data type of the particular column on Power BI, that we are going to learn today. So let's start our today's video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our Analytics Academy YouTube channel where we are covering the Microsoft Power BI sessions. SQL we have uploaded, Python also we have completed, and Microsoft Excel also we have completed. Please go on our playlist and complete all the sessions, all the course of data analytics. So let's start today's video. Okay, now you are, if you want to check the quality of the data, you have to add, means first we have to extract that data. Okay, by using all the data set. Okay, if you will click on data, get data, from there you have to extract first data. Okay, this is the first step to take the data. Okay, to access the data on Power BI. Now here you can see I am having the data set. Okay, of table name is what? Sheet 1. On sheet 1 I am having multiple columns, right? From activity plan to status, this many columns I am having. Okay, that I have extract using the I have extract data of Excel workbook, right? Now if I want to check the quality of data, now what is the quality of data? Okay, what is meant by quality of data, how to check the quality of data? Okay, now you know that. Okay, we have we have to extract that. Okay, we have to transform that data, right? You know that we have to transform that data for to check the quality. Okay, means to make the changes on the of our data. But what is the quality of data? Now here you can see I am having multiple columns. On that, if I want to check what, if in activity plan, how many values are null? Null is what? What are the, how many values are null? There is no any value on that particular cell. If I want to check that, okay, then it will provide me the quality of data. Okay, null values is there. If for example, if string type of column is there. Okay, for example, if we will take string type of column is there, and on that if I am entering any numeric data. Okay, on string data type, if I am entering any numeric data, then also quality is that it decrease. Okay, it will provide us that how many, what is the quality of data, and we can replace that value. Now here one example I will provide. Now here is what our date column is there. Okay, on date column you know that all the dates will be filtered. Okay, we will write the date only. Okay, now for example, if in date column, if we are entering any string type of data. Okay, string type of data if we are entering, that means what? Any alphabet data if we are entering on date, then it will decrease the quality of data, it will not be a good quality of data. Okay, now let's see with our practically we are going to see. Okay, now when I will click on we have to click on transform data. When we click on transform data, we will redirect to Power Query. Using the Power Query, we will check the quality of data. We can replace the values also. We can find the null values also. Okay. And if we want to change the data type of particular column, okay, if I want to change the particular column data type, that also we can change. Okay, now here you can see on view tab, column quality option is there. Okay, and query setting, that also everything I will off. Now if here how many all the our columns are there. Okay, what we have seen on canvas, that all the values of table 1, okay, sorry, sheet 1 table, okay, on sheet 1 table multiple columns were there. Okay, that all the columns has been redirected and loaded on our power query. Now date, from date to last hour, status, right, activity status, that all it has been loaded. Now I want to check the quality of data, that how many percent data is proper. Okay, there is no any null values that it will show. Okay, we have to come on view tab and column quality. Now here you can see on date column how many values are there. Valid is 91% data is valid, means data 91% data is clean. And empty is what, there is no any value. Okay, there is no any value on particular cell. Okay, so it is empty. On column 2 we can see empty. Okay, empty means what, there is no any value. Okay, it will be null value. Okay, now here if I want to improve, okay, if I want 100% quality of data, okay, if I want to clean that data, then I will drag it, I will uncheck that null value, then we will set. Now here you can see the valid quality of data is what, 100%, right? And here you can, okay, on first column what, how many percentage data was valid, 91%, and 9% was empty, right? That we have cleaned. Okay, now data is how many percent data is valid, 100%. On column 2 we can see empty. Okay, values are empty, there is no any value. Now on date 1, third column, data is 100% value. Metro line, that is also valid. Okay, now what column is not valid, we will check it and we will clean it that. Okay, now here you can see all the data. Okay, all the columns are valid. Okay, this is extra we have added, that we will delete here. Okay, that we will delete. Now remaining all the columns, it is all the data is valid. Now how to check the quality, that we have seen. Okay, by using, come to power query. Okay, after power query we have to come on view tab. View tab we can see the quality of the data. Now here we can check the, if we want monospace, okay, that we can check. Okay, now if we want column distribution, okay, that also if we want, that also we can check from here only. Okay, how many data is distinct, how many is unique, that we can check. Now what is the difference between unique and distinct? Unique is what, how many percent data is unique. Okay, and distinct is what, on, okay, unique on, see here you can see 2b, right? 2b data is what, how many times it has been read, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 times it has been repeated. Okay, 5 distincts are there, means 5 values are repeated, right? 27 are distinct, means particularly unique. Okay, all the name are different. Okay, you can see it from here. Okay, how many data is different from that distinct. Okay, 0% unique. Now here you can see on designation you can see. The 10 distinct, 0 unique. Okay, 3 distinct on JC, 3 distinct data is there. Okay, on our contractor 15. 15 are distinct and one is unique. Means 15 values are there that are repeated multiple times and one is particularly unique. Okay. Now here you can see KEC, right? It has been repeated, right? Now this is one distinct. Okay. Paras contractor, that is second. Third is what? Yeah, IIPL, right? Fourth is, now it has been repeated, right? Means total is what? 15 distinct and one unique. Here also you can see location 99 unique and 217 are distinct. Okay, from that we can check. If we want white space, that also we can provide. Okay, in this way we can check the quality of data. Now if I want, if I, if we want to save that everything, okay, after cleaning of data and all, that we can save from our home tab. Okay, in this way we can clean the data, we can check the quality of the data. Okay, on our pure, on our power query. Okay, particularly first step is what you have to extract that data. Okay, particular column, it can be excel workbook or SQL, that you have to extract on our Canva. Okay, that will be first step. Second step is what? Second step is what? You have to transform. Click on transform data. Okay. When you will transform data, you will be redirected to what? Power query. Okay. On Power Query, you have to go on View tab. On there, you have to click column quality. Okay. This is what our fourth step. Fourth. Okay. First one is what? Extract particular data set from Excel. It can be Excel, SQL, or from any website. That this is our first step. Second is what? Click on transform data. Okay. Then Power Query it will be coming, and fourth one is what? You have to click on column quality. Okay, on our view tab. Okay, you have to go on view tab, you have to click on column quality. Okay, this is our fourth step. Fifth step is what? You have to replace that. Okay, replace the values. Okay, particular values as per your requirement. In this way we can check the quality of data and we can modify the quality of the data. Okay, we can clean data. Okay, hope you have understood today's video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share with your all the friends who want to learn the Microsoft Power BI and our data analytics full course. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.